You want to say hello?
Oh, God.
She's running away. Hi, everybody. Wow.
How you doing?
This is big in here. Hi. We are at Zyltech and everybody is in there. He's not. He's dressed up as a DJ. That's what he's doing. So this is all the element that we get to build your guys' turners. They have all their different colors. Hold on, I'm going to swipe for my comments. So I came here to pick up my filament because I'm out of blue and pink. This is our pink that we use. Hi, Steph. And I decided I'm going to buy 2 more 3D pens because my nephew's in town and they're fighting. And there's my mom. What are they doing? Oh my God, you guys want to see this pig? Oh my God.
Wait on the zip tie.
Wait on the zip tie. Did you ask them to zip tie our pig? So we are, this is my brother's Prius, okay? And I figured that when we pick up this pig, it was going to be like in a box with ice. No, this guy had it swung over his shoulder and he put this body bag. And I'm like, I really hope we don't get pulled over. Because how am I going to, with all the pancit noodles, it's like, ma'am.
We like stuff here like this at Zyltech.
Brian, look, we found another pumpkin. We are going to be pumpkin carving. I have to pick up filament. If she can let my grandson play with one. Yes, I mean, my 5-year-old plays with a 3D. No, she's not going to let her grandson play with the pig. It's a pen. Yes, I need 2 pens. Oh, guys, look! We're going to have complete on tutorials with them. Are they all blue?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and I get to pick some samples. I don't know which samples I want.
Blue silk's my favorite.
Okay, well, just how many samples do I get? 1 of each? Okay. I have tons of cookie love. You gonna come over for some lechon?
You guys are going for
We're right down Springside first.
Oh, was that the party?
Yeah, we're gonna have a big party. I mean, we have a DJ, right? What is that? Okay, so I'm going to get some of this Galaxy. Now, they said that they're going to be working on this sample pack thing. I'm not sure when that's coming, but we'll let you guys know. So this one's like really silky blue. Glitter. We have enough for like 1,000 lumpia rolls.
Okay, so I need help rollers. I can't.
My mom's asking you to come over to my house and roll some lumpia. See, this is where I get my socialism from. See, my mom is just in a crowd of a warehouse of a bunch of people. Glitter-coated filament is, this one is a Galaxy, so we can actually purchase this. It's a little more expensive, so if you wanted a turner that was glitter, it would be like that. They all this silver sparkle, we don't buy this kind because I don't know, so we need to make some. All right. They're asking about glitter filament. Yeah. So you guys can actually buy this in like big spools if you go to my page. So this is what, if you guys order one of these, the link is on the description. And if you use the code INSPIRE, you save, I think, 15%. So it comes to $11, which is not bad for an awesome present. So it comes with all of these. So this is, I mean, this reminds me of Halloween because obviously it's Halloween. But yellow, purple, black, a little manual. You get your pen and you get a little stand, so it stands in there. So this one's actually for my nephew. And then I'm just going to get another one for Kai, so Kai and Ryan can play. So if we have 3 pens, we shouldn't have any kids arguing. Brian, yes, we're rolling lumpia tonight. We already went to the Asian food mart and everything, so we are done shopping. So I'm going to bring these ones. I'm going to look for any more pretty ones. Hold on. Okay, so this one's a white sparkle. So there's a clear sparkle, a white sparkle. I have bronze at home. I have plenty of black at home. This is Jesse's gunmetal. This is what our gunmetal one is. So if you guys order the Turners, this is the one we use for Turners. This yellow they have is like fluorescent yellow. I think Fortress is just like a really, oh no, that's actually a really pretty color. It's not black, but it's not gray. Carbon fiber. So this stuff, you guys know what carbon fiber is, right? This, yes, Jenny. After you use my promo code INSPIRE, this pen, this exact, it comes shipped to you, is only $11 after you use the code INSPIRE. So on the description of this video, you can get this for any kid over, I'd say 5 years old. My 3-year-old doesn't have any interest in it, so that's why I say 5, because my 5-year-old likes it. Stephanie, check the description. You can click straight on the link, and the promo code is INSPIRE. Now, I do have a link on there for Amazon where you guys can get a bunch of like little packs of filament. But Zyltech is working on putting together like a multi-sample pack. I'm not sure when they're going to have it out and all that. Hey, Stephanie, I'll see you on Saturday. Cindy, did you buy one for yourself? You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, guys. Great stocking stuffers, yes.
Girls like blue too.
Sarah, I think it depends on what shipping you want, because you can do like ground shipping and stuff like that, or you can do like next day. So I think that just depends on you. But if you guys live in Houston and you're close to like Spring Cypress and I want to say 45 or Kirkendall, what is normally created with the pen? Anything 3D. Okay, I'm going to go into the office. I'll show you guys something really quick. Hold on. This right here was created with the pen. And then there's like a little one. So the 3D pen spits out filament. And it makes, this is why I bought it. Because I came in here to pick up my filament. And they normally have these, which is, like this is 3D printed. We don't have their 3D like that, we might get one in the future, and we'll review that one. So right now we just have Prusas, but Prusas, I mean, it's really expensive for a hobbyist to get a Prusa, you know what I mean? Because they're really expensive. But all this is created on a 3D printer. The 3D pen is handheld. So for $11, you get to make an entire jungle. Right, Rebecca? Oh, Cindy, don't lie. You know you got them for yourself. Oh, see, and these are 3D printed. Yeah. They always have Tootsie Rolls for me. Okay. Daniel, where am I? I'm at Zyltech. So, I figured you'd just go live really quick. So, you guys can click my link. Go ahead and get ordered. We have a pig to get home and a bunch of lumpia to roll and a party with a bunch of people.
They can come help roll lumpia.
And who's ever local can help us roll thousands of lumpia. Yeah, my mom said that. Rebecca, get one for your 9-year-old. He will love it. Yes, Jamie, I'm in Houston. I live, is my filament in the car?
Okay.
Next to the pig, yeah. If you guys are close to, Spring Cypress, then you guys can come and pick it up and not pay shipping. That's what I do. I just come and say hi. Tiffany, you can create a 3D printed fairy village. That would be beautiful. You should send me pictures. Jamie, you're 30 minutes away. Oh, well, Jamie, you want some lechon? Yeah. Send me a message. That I have a 12, 8, and 4-year-old that would love them. Get each of them one, because that's why I'm buying more, because my kids are fighting.
Because your other grandkids, your cousins are down.
Grayson's in town. So Grayson's like, can I make something? And Ryan's like, it was my birthday present. And Grayson's like, yeah. Man, look at all that customer service right there. Yes.
They even zip tied a big shot.
Zip tied my big shot. Stephanie, if you want a different color, right now. Yeah, yours are done. Yours are gonna be all done. Hands down, best present for under $15. Be cool.
Right?
Yeah, eventually. He just bought those to see if they would even sell. And then
and they turned out to be really good. Because, you know, whenever you buy a product like that, you don't know if it's going to be good or not. So he went out on a limb, bought some, and they turned out to be really good.
Great.
I love them.
Mm-hmm.
And they even have like an automatic shut off,
Yeah.
which I really like because I always forget it plugged in.
Yeah. We bought some other ones in the past, and they would get clogged up.
And these are great.
Yeah,
These are great.
These are great.
That's okay. Girls like blue. Okay, put a baby on
But
it.
it's like a perfect shade of blue. It can go for girls and boys.
Yep. Yes, exactly. Exactly. So,
Oh yes, thanks, honey. Guys, I just started my YouTube channel. I know I'm late blooming. I should have started that a while ago, but I now have my YouTube channel. So click over, like, follow. I only have 2 videos up on that right now, but as y'all know, I see you guys a lot, so it will slowly start growing. So make sure you guys do click on that link that Travis just posted, and yeah. Rebecca said you guys better stock up on those pens. Where can I find the link to buy the pen? In the description of this video. Click over, click like. They're constantly shipping, so they are very on it, even in their awesome costumes on Halloween. Okay? Alright guys, I will see you later. I am going to let you go. We got to get this pig home. Alright? Bye.